breaking the wall of pipeline wax deposition. Waleed Al Maharbi, Falling Walls Lab, Oman.
So we know that crude oil is the artery of the global economy. And also we know that the world goes through complex and dangerous method to get it usable. And of course, there will be many problems, whether it was in extraction, transportation, or manufacturing process. One of these problems that considered an extreme headache is the wax deposition in the pipelines. So when we transport crude oil through the pipelines, the wax starts to deposit in the inner pipe walls, which will reduce the inner pipe diameter, leading to an increment in the pressure drop, or it may cause a total blockage, and worse, leakage may occur. And now, to defeat this problem, the companies desperately using expensive and dangerous methods that are not good for humans, neither the environment, methods that will make crude oil processing more and more difficult. So I was thinking, why we don't treat crude oil using ultrasonic before it got transported for long distance, and to be more specific, at the same extraction field while it passes through the gathering lines, since the ultrasonic has a high contribution in rising production rate, rising API level, reducing crude oil viscosity, and the most important thing is reducing wax deposition rate. As well as now, ultrasonic considered a major topic in reducing carbon footprint because they are working with a high safety factor and low environmental pollution because they are only a sound waves. And from my side, to make sure this wall would be crushed, I made a new design for the ultrasonic device, design that made specially for the pipelines usage, design that characterized by simple and easy, whether it was in manufacturing or installation, design that the companies will have no excuses anymore, because with this method we will reduce the usage of chemicals, reducing the energy consumption, and of course get rid of the wax problems. In addition, in the refineries, they will receive a high quality treated crude oil, like we are doing a favor for them. Therefore, and in the end, I would say this wall should not be broken, but completely destroyed. Thank you.